Search.
People always talk about my come up, cause I've been going all every summer. Pussy wanna talk about numbers, but your manager buying swipe so about me ain't nobody.
Hello guys, want to grow your channel quickly and get more views on your video, and then keep watching the video till the end and it's 100% working. Hey, I'm Jirus and you're watching JTechs, and I'm here to help you. And if you've got small YouTube channel and it's not working or it's not growing fast, then I said earlier, I'm here to help you. You might be thinking that why your channel doesn't grow fast and get no views or sometimes less views, then the problem you might be quite similar to this. But don't worry, I've got the best tips for you and it's 100% working. So the very first piece of advice is to put the best tags on your videos. You might be unfamiliar with what a tag is or haven't heard it before, but no need to worry. It's very simple. Tags are usually simple phrases of words which are related to your video titles. Just like here in this picture. You've got it right. And the second piece of advice from me on how to get those tags and how to do is also very simple and easy. All you need to do is go to your Google Chrome browser and type this. I'll put the link in the description box for this website, so go and visit. When you open the link at first, you'll need to register with your email from where your channel was created. After that, it will appear like this. On the Creator Studio, under Video Manager, click Edit on any of your videos, copy the title of your videos, go to Rapid Tag website, and on the search bar, paste the title of the video which you have copied earlier, and now you'll see all the tags. Scroll down a little bit and copy the tags. Go back to YouTube Creator Studio, and in here, paste the tags, and click Save Change, and it's done. Here we are on the Rapid Tags website. All you have to do is put the title and scroll down a little bit and search it. After that, you copy it. After copying, you need to go back to Creator Studio, as I have said earlier, and just paste it over here. Just paste it. After pasting, you need to click on Save Changes. Click Save. The third piece of advice from me is to create a good thumbnail for your videos. Yes, the thumbnails are very important and it's needed. I won't show you how to create a thumbnail because I've already done that video about this. So if you want to see the full tutorial of that video, then click the I button or link in the description. Go and check them as well. And the last piece of advice from me is by sharing your YouTube videos on different social media platforms. Yes, it's good to share your videos on social media, but here I'm talking about this particular and most popular social media site, which is Facebook. What most of the small YouTubers do is they randomly share their videos from YouTube directly to Facebook, and what it actually do is it never showed your videos on Facebook, because nowadays both YouTube and Facebook are very competitive to each other, and that's not so easy to promote your videos on Facebook by direct sharing. But with the help of Facebook Linker or fblinker.com website, it is really working. Go to Creator Studio and copy the link of your videos. On the Chrome browser, type fblinker.com. I'll put the link in the description for this website as well. Now after opening the site, paste the link of your video, scroll down and click submit and wait for 20 to 30 seconds. After that, click share on Facebook, just post it and it's done. As I've said earlier before, paste the link and scroll down. After scrolling a little bit, click submit button, and after that you need to wait for 30 seconds. Just keep on waiting. Okay, thank you for waiting. Now click on share on Facebook. After that it will redirect to the Facebook link. Click Google Chrome as a default. Open with Chrome. After open, just if you want to write something about this, then you can write there, but I won't do this. Just click on the pause button. Click the pause. After clicking, click on the Facebook icon on the upper part. After that it will automatically post. I'll show you, it's paused. Now what you have to do is click on that share button and share now. Like this, you need to share your videos on FB Linker. So guys, follow all these tips and I'm 100% sure that your channel's gonna grow very fast. At last, please don't forget to click that circle button for me, and also do share my videos as much as you can, which will be a lot for me. And also stay tuned for more upcoming quality videos for you especially. Hope you learned something from me, and thanks for visiting my channel, and be sure to be well and peace.